This trick is great for house training your new puppy. Your puppy will learn to ring a bell hanging from the doorknob when he needs to go out. Yeah. Now you want to start this trick by choosing the right bell. I have a little miniature cowbell here. You don't want to use real small jingle bells because you don't want any danger of your dog swallowing them. Hang it from the door at a height that's low enough that your puppy can reach it with his nose or even with his paw. So that's pretty low. First thing we're going to do is take our clicker in one hand and a treat in the other. I'm going to put the treat behind the bell so that when my puppy tries to get it, she accidentally noses the bell and it makes a sound. Right now I'm going to click any interaction she has with the bell, whether it be her nose or her paw. Good job. Yeah, you like this one. Good girl. Very good. If a puppy's not interacting with the bell, then just wait until he gets close to the bell and kind of ring it yourself with your finger, and as soon as it rings, click and give him a treat. So he starts to associate the ringing sound with the clicker. So, good. Very nice. Good job. Well, you like this trick. Let's give it a try with some other dogs. Some puppies will prefer to nose the bell, while others will paw at it. Let your dog decide which is easiest for him. Next, I'm going to start to fade our dependence on the lure. So I'm going to switch my clicker to my other hand and have my treat in this hand. I'm only going to hold the clicker behind the bell this time. Bell. Good. Then I give her a treat from my other hand. Bell. Good. I just kind of put the clicker behind the bell to get her attention. Very good. Once she has the hang of ringing the bell, we're going to start to teach her that ringing the bell is the signal for when she wants to go out. Yes, I know that. So when you're ready to go for a walk up to the door, say, bell, bell. Good. Then open the door to go out for your walk. Soon your puppy will learn that that's his signal when he wants to go outside. Very good, honey. Let's recap this trick. The key to keeping your dog motivated is to keep him challenged in achieving regular successes. This requires a constant shift between upping the ante and asking for a more difficult behavior and regressing by asking for an easier behavior. Try not to let your dog be wrong more than 2 or 3 times in a row, or he could get discouraged and not wish to perform. Instead, go back to an easier step for a while. It's usually only needed for a short while and will give your dog confidence to move forward.